All right. Y'all see, I've been knocking it out. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. And people tell me, why don't you just put the car in the shop, spend that dough? That's because that's not the point of this channel. This channel is, if I can do it, then you can do it. Keep your money in your pocket. That's what I say. Someone give me a week. I won't have the car up and running. The car already runs. Need a motor and trans, people. But besides all that, the haters gonna hate. That's my full-time job. They gonna hate on the street. Neighbors gonna hate. Everybody gonna hate because they can't do what I do. So for all that said, from the last video, y'all seen I got a little frustrated with the power windows and moonroof not getting no power to it. So the next day I jumped on in with my probe, my multimeter, and I got the work. And I figured it out after I ordered a $500 scanner so I can scan the BCM, the body control module. But that's something else. I'll show y'all the scanner. But we got to get this car. I'm just going to start getting this car buttoned up. And I'll show y'all the problem. It was simple. So let's all jump on into it. But first, here's the scanner I bought. $479 off Amazon. The Autel Professional Scan Tool Maxi Check MX808. Supposed to be able to do everything I need. And more. So I bought this. Don't need it. But it's better to have it and not need it. But than need it and not have it. You know what I'm saying? Now, let's go jump into this car. So, y'all know the donation. That door going to continue to make that noise until I remove the fenders. And to remove the fenders, you got to remove the hood. Good, I got to replace the fenders anyway. But here's the old girl. I did a lot of stuff off camera. Remember, I already changed the steering wheel. Y'all seen how it used to look. Got new buttons, new steering wheel. Blase please. I even went, since I bought that scanner, went to pick and pull. My neighbor, they love me up there. And bought another radio. Because y'all know I MacGyvered the other one. Took out the security chip. I actually found one up there that was already unlocked. And the CD player worked and tape deck worked. So I threw that up in there. I'm not going to be playing no more music. Because on my last video, they gave me a copyright claim. Because I let y'all hear the speakers work in the back. So I got the speakers out the donor car. I'm going to be throwing those in there. Not those Pioneers. Don't even know if those even work. I'm going to throw the factory speakers back into the factory wiring harness. They work. They worked in the other car. Got to get the bezel put back on. All the little plastics put back on. Get the seats put back in. Leave the door cards off. Because I'll remove them. I'll take them back off when I go to paint this car anyway. So I'm going to leave them off because the savvy mirrors got to come off. Some of that little trim got to come off. Like this trim right here. But let's get to let me show y'all the windows. If I find these keys. Here we go. Got the key start. Got the radio off. Oh yeah, I can see that radio does not say calibration. I don't know the rest of the music is heard. It don't say calibration on it. It's all lit up. CD player work, tape deck work, like I said. Got the windows working, back again. I don't think these windows have worked in years. When I first got them back working, I had to lube up the tracks. But they've been up for a long time. Here's the sunroof. Yeah, see? Last video I showed you I did it manually. But now y'all can see. Sunroof has been repaired because the other one didn't even open or close. So, even got all that done. And it was like mind-boggling because what it was, I probed the fuse box and everything. And I wasn't getting no power to the switches, no power to the windows. Even the headlights work again from the light switch. So all the electrical in this car should be good now. Except when I go to pull the motor and trans out of this car. Because the transmission does need to be changed. And we changed the motor while we at it because I got to pull the motor with it. That's how I do it. Put the motor with it. And I'm going to swap out the motor anyway because I don't know how many miles on this motor. And last time, from the last videos y'all checked, the motor had milkshake in it. But since then, I didn't change the oil in it. Still got some milky in there. But I'll be able to clean the engine bay, do the brake lines while the motor and trans is out. Because I'm replacing this whole wiring harness right here because that's for the fans and the headlights. Since they cut the wires to the headlights and wired in that toggle switch. Right now it's got the wire touching. So yeah, see, right there. That's how it's got the wires touching to make the headlights come on. And they're old and cracked anyway. Got a crack up here. Crack up there. So, but like I say, I ripped out that wire that they had hooked up. And this was the problem the whole time. It was the fuse box. From when them all those wires cut like that, he almost set the car on fire. I'll be posting pictures. I went to the fuse box. And I took the fuse box all apart. This is what the inside of your fuse box like. A bunch of little pins and brass pieces. But that one I marked right there with the red, that's the one that got real hot from all those wires touching, from them cutting all the wires. And you can see it right here, if you can see it. That was that hot pin. And if you flip it over, it's a copper wire, a copper line that connects to it. And it connects to more other pins. And all these copper lines was for the windows and the headlights, giving them power. And obviously it wasn't getting power no more because the plastics melted all around this copper line. So, like I said, that was the fuse box. Took it all apart. Oop, I got pieces up in here. It's all junk now. People might be asking where he get another fuse box for this car. Remember the last video, I got a whole parts car sitting outside my garage. So I got a total of 3 of these Monte Carlo SS's. 3! With a spare engine and a transmission sitting right over there. That's a transmission out of a 2003 Buick, but it had a 3800 series motor in it. Has to be a 2003 motor. 2003 transmission for these cars. I don't know why. Let me know in the comment section below. I just read it that it had to be a 2003 transmission for this car. Only year they made these transmissions. For some reason, some electronics in it for this car is only in 2003s. And this transmission is shot. So, let's get started. Getting this interior button back up. because we about to have a snowstorm. And I got to get out of here.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
All right. Y'all see, I've been knocking it out. Just got the driver's side seat left to do. Like I said, leaving the door cards off. Because I don't be wanting to pull them back off again when I got to go to do the paint. So I can take the side view mirrors off. But she's coming together. Missing a few little key components. But I think I got some right here. I got spare parts of cars galore. Get up in here. And attempt to get this button on. There we go. Oh, the dash wasn't all the way down. Okay. So we got that on there. I got screws, bolts everywhere. It's always nice to have extra ones. Don't got the rearview mirror up yet because got the glass replaced. But everything works. Everything's looking nice and good. So, got a mess up here. So let me Slap this seat in so I can be a wrap. So I guess that's going to be a wrap for this video. I got enough bruises and cuts. Because y'all know this car is what it is. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here at Easy's Rebuilds. If you would, share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers on your social media. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We take Cash App donations of cars, just like this, if you're in the local area. And we have merch at teespring.com, not like the shirt I'm wearing, of course. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!